Hello everybody, this is the awesome MCB here, and welcome to another antivirus review. Now, we're going to be going ahead and looking at Panda Advanced, and the reason I'm doing the advanced version is because based from off their website of their details, basically the advanced edition over the essential version, you don't get ransomware protection, but I'm kind of getting mixed messages here because it says Panda Dome protects all your devices from ransomware. So does that include the essential? I have zero clue, but that seems to be the main secure one because the complete and premium are just like extra features for data shields and a VPN and all that. So we're just gonna be doing the advanced one. So yeah, so the UI is pretty simple to use. So instead of just like a more sideboxes and all that, they have like little just squares for each particular one, and I mean I'm kind of a fan of this layout, and they also looks like they also give you a virtual keyboard. Let's see what this does. Oh, and look at that. So they just give you a virtual keyboard for it's supposed to help protect from keyloggers and all that, but this one also comes with a firewall, which is nice. And yeah, so let's just get right into this test. So I got 5 links here. So let's get right into this. We have our first link here. Let's see what happens here. Looks like it's starting to allow it to download. Let's see what happens if we try to run it. Oh, there it goes. It looks like it was blocked, and apparently we've lost our internet connection. Not sure what's going on, but let me go ahead and get this thing back online before we can continue with the test. There we go, we got internet back up. Let's try the next link. That one seems to be dead. Let's try the next one. That one seems to be dead as well. That one is dead as well. There's a lot of dead links. Okay, this is a bit interesting. What is this? Looks like some kind of linker from China or something? That's really interesting. So even though there was only one link that was detected, because out of the one link that actually worked, we're just gonna have to go with that because the current links I get apparently have been not bringing in very many links in lately as they have in the past. I'm going to see if I can have to find a new one in the future. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with the link test now. So let me go ahead and turn off the shields temporarily, and then let me get the samples. We have our samples. We have 185 items. Again, always the huge concentration of ransomware. Do right-click scan. Alright, the scan is now complete. It says it's detected 72 out of 228, even though we only scanned 185 items, and that 72 doesn't match what we have here, even though we stopped that scan temporarily. That was still too low to even change. So that's pretty much what we got. Is 52 items left. So we got a detection ratio of about 72%, which is not bad. I mean, we've seen better, but it's definitely not the worst we've seen. So let's go ahead and do our normal and just normal routine, start the shields, and let's see what happens when it deals with unknown malware. So let's go ahead now with all that launch. Let's launch Process Explorer. Process Explorer. There doesn't seem to be anything running in memory, but just in case, we're going to reboot, run CCleaner, and then run the second opinion scanners. Our second opinion scanners are finished. We have a clean sheet, so I am very impressed with Panda. Nothing much more to say. It looks like with a whole bunch of all those threads, even if the detection ratio was around average, there was none of them were able to execute. So well done, Panda. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this test. I hope you all have enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed this, be sure to like button down below. And if you're around here, be sure to subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you all later.